What's up everyone, welcome to another video. And we finally have it, after a long wait. The Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, the newest budget smartphone from Xiaomi. And in this video, let's unbox the device and have a first look at this newest premium looking budget phone. And let's find out if it is the best phone to buy under Rs 20,000 in India. So before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon to see more videos like these in future. Now let's start off with the unboxing experience. So you will be greeted with a white box that has pieces of paper that you are not going to read anyway. In short, instruction manual and a SIM ejector tool. So let's keep them aside. After that, you will get a silicone case for the device, and the quality of case is still seriously bad. They should have bundled a better case, as this grey colored one looks even cheaper than the transparent one. So after this, we have the device itself, and we'll get to that in a second. I hate that the glass backed phones get smudged up so easily. Apart from this, we have a huge 33W quick charger, and I got this variant only because I wanted to test out the difference a 33W charger will make, and this seems to be of good quality. And Xiaomi claims that this will charge the device to around 50% in less than 30 minutes, which is impressive, and we will test the charging speed in a later video. So after that you have a Type-C cable and that's it. No earphones or anything, but as you know, that is the new normal these days. Now let's go back to the device, and well, this looks interesting. The glass back looks great, and I really like its finish, as it's not that flashy either, like the one we have on Poco X2, the closest competitor to this device. And we also have that quad camera setup, and the main highlight of this one is the 64 megapixel primary camera as compared to the 48 megapixel one on the Note 9 Pro. And the second camera is an 8 megapixel ultra wide. The third one is a 5 megapixel macro camera, and the fourth one is a 2 megapixel depth sensor for those portrait mode shots. Now coming to the front of this device, we have a 6.67 inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, which is of the same size as what we have with the Poco X2, and this is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 with this punch hole camera that is a whopping 32 megapixel sensor. Now let's power on the device quickly, and in the meanwhile, let's check out some specifications of this device. So this device is powered by a Snapdragon 720G processor, that is an 8nm processor clocked at 2.3 GHz with UFS 2.1 storage, and this device comes in 3 variants. The base variant has 6GB of RAM along with 64GB of storage, and the one that I have here has 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. It also has a 5000 mAh battery with USB Type-C that comes with 33W fast charging, and it supports dual 4G SIM cards plus an SD card, so that is something really great. Also, the screen protector on this one is pre-applied, so you don't need to change it. It's great to have it pre-installed, and this is generally a main concern when we buy new devices, so that's good. So let's set up the device quickly, and here we have it. So this is powered by MIUI 11 based on Android 10. That is the latest version so far. But I don't like MIUI at all. Plus we have these crappy ads everywhere for free, and it seriously ruins the overall experience. I will try to disable all these ads, and if you need a video on that, do let me know in the comment section down below. So overall, MIUI 11 is better than the previous versions of MIUI. It has some good features like forced dark mode, these good looking live wallpapers, and aggressive RAM management, which will result in great battery life overall. And we have a 5000 mAh battery on this one, and that is seriously huge, and it should easily last for around 2 days on a single charge, and we'll put that to test in the final review, so stay tuned. But because of this huge battery, the weight of the device is around 209 grams, so do keep that in mind. Now coming to the camera, well, the app looks just like we have with other MIUI devices, and all the shooting modes are here. The ultra wide, macro mode, along with the 64 megapixel mode that will let you capture images with better details, at least on paper. And here are some initial camera samples shot on Note 9 Pro Max. And as you can see, it did a good job overall, and I'll be testing it out thoroughly in the future videos. So subscribe if you haven't already. And we also have a side mounted fingerprint scanner on this one. It was easy to set it up, plus it unlocks in a blink of an eye. and that's great. So these are my initial impressions with the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. And overall, it's a good deal at this price, and the closest competitor to this one is Poco X2. So if you need a comparison video between these devices, do let me know in the comment section down below. Until then, stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you in the next one.